Your website needs to speak on your dream client's language. Your website needs to literally hold their hands of each of your visitors to either 1, download your freebie, 2, sign up for your newsletter, 3, schedule a call with you, 4, just buy from you. And I'm going to show you how to do that on this audit. Hola, Andrea. I'm doing your website audit today. I'm going to give you juicy tips that you can apply today to make sure your dream clients are finding your services. You're a business coach for VAs, for OBMs. We want to make sure this target audience is finding your website. All right, the first step on all my website audits is I look at the CTA. What I'm looking for is, are you making it hard for your dream clients to just schedule a call with you? Do they have to scroll deep on your website just to schedule a call with you? Are you giving them a lot of options that is making them so confused as to, I just want to start working with her, but I don't understand how can I start working with her? As soon as I land into your website, the first thing I see obviously is your banner, your value prop, and then I see the call to action. I would like to see this call to action in here as well, because usually our eyes are drawn to C method. So in here, and then I see you have it in here, so it's good. But what happened when I click to them? The first thing I see is your email, follow you on all your social medias, and then I pick a date and time to speak with you. This page might tell your audiences she wants me to get in contact to her through email, but also to follow her on IG, LinkedIn, Threads, TikTok, Facebook, and on and on and on. But then she's also giving me an option to schedule a call with her. You're giving too much options for them. Just give them one option. What is the priority? Do you want them to send you an email to follow you on social media? Or you just want to have them on your calendar with a time and date for them to speak to you? Obviously, since that is to book a discovery call with you, I would say remove this because you already have that in here. So just move this section up in here and just leave that contact info in the footer section. Don't give them a lot of options. Some of them might get overwhelmed and they might not do any of these options that you're giving them. They might just bounce. Now note you have a let's connect. Okay, it's taking you to the contact page. You know, this is about you. And I think this is okay to put your about page because in here it tells more about you. Meet the team. This is so cute. You see, it has a personality. So I love this. Luca, Vice President of NAPS. Let them meet this side of you. That's one. Second, I like your image, but you have a lot of real estate. There's a lot of space in here. Same thing goes here. Okay, you know, you want to make it easy for them. Not a lot of scrolling to understand what your business is about, how you're going to transform their life, and what are the first steps that they need to start working with you. How does it look on phone? Okay, you see how on phone is really good. It's not like big space. I want the same thing on desktop. That is that. We can add a little bit more images in here just to make it more appealing to the eye. I love the testimonials. I love that in video form, just more digestible and people love it. You get a lot of clicks. You have a master class. Okay, nice. So I would say you can add up to 3 resources in here. I will add that masterclass in here. This is how I do it for my clients. My client has a masterclass freebies. Obviously, she has her main coaching program. So what we do is I rotate these sources. We had the masterclass in here like last month, but now she's doing this event. Remove the masterclass from the free resources. I kept the freebie coaching program. So it can be a lot easy for people to just sign up. She also has a pop-up. Okay, so that's how I do it for my clients. You can do the same for you as well. You can pick one freebie and you can rotate the freebie, have the masterclass in here, and if you want to have the podcast or maybe the blog as well, you can have that in here. The big piece that I always look for is keywords. There's a lot of text, but do we have the keywords that our dream clients are typing in this text? Now that is the question. If you don't have the keywords that your dream clients are typing to find your solution, to find your service, it doesn't matter how many times you update your website. It doesn't matter how many times you update the design of your website. If they cannot find it, not going to work. Let me see if you even have business coach keyword. Okay, you have it. You only have it 3 times. And where is the second? So it says 3, but I don't know where's the second one. Oh, there you go. And do you have virtual? You don't have virtual assistants? No. You don't have OBMs? You do? Where is it? Oh, I think it was in here, right? VAs. Okay, so you don't even have enough keywords to target like your audience. If I type business coach for virtual assistants, there's people looking for this. And then if you go into people also ask, you can find keywords that they are actually typing. Like, look at this. How do I grow my virtual assistant business? Let's say partner with a business coach for virtual assistants who gets you. And then I will add this keyword in here. So it's kind of putting like my title for my target audience, like that. So business coach for my target audience, like that. And when I go into the back end, this right here that you're looking at, where it says H2s, when Google goes into your website the first time, Google is not like us that it goes by line and it's okay, I can grasp it. No, Google is like more about this H2s, 3s, H1. By the way, you have an H1 missing, which is the title of this page. Google is already like lost, saying like, okay, I don't have a title for this page. What is this page about? It's a lot of text in this H2s, so Google is reading it like this. Your next level is waiting. Partner with intentional business growth strategist who gets you. I'm gonna skip this. Hi, I'm Andrea. How can we work together? Management, operation and system, coaching, testimonial, resources, quick links. That's it. This is how Google is grasping this page. By reading it out loud, you can tell there are no keywords that your dream clients are typing to find this solution. For example, the one that we have here, how do I grow my virtual assistant business? This is how your dream clients are typing. Imagine if you have those keywords in here. So when your dream client is typing this, your website is the first thing they see instead of this one. You see what I mean? So that is what's missing. So header 1, you're missing. You need to optimize your H2s in here, which are this, subheadings. Try to include that target keyword on this homepage and in all of your landing pages. Each landing page needs to be target to a specific keyword or related keyword with, and that is where keyword research comes into play. Keyword research is just data, like real data, telling you this is what your dream clients are typing about this topic, about this problem, about this solution that they want, and it's giving you the data for you to answer that questions in your homepage, in your blogs, in your resources. Is giving you that real data. You can do that easily by just typing the keyword on Google, looking through like, okay, inspiration from here, okay, you see virtual assistants, what are the keywords, like that. You can go into people also ask, just how I showed you. You can also go into, okay, people are also searching for, but you can also use your sales calls, use your DMs, use the interviews that you have on your podcast. And I hope you have Google Analytics and Google Search Console, because that's where you get keywords as well. I always love to use Google Search Console. This is one of my clients' websites. So in here, it gives you the keywords that your dream clients are typing that Google is showing your website for. You're saying these are blogs that I have optimized for my client, and you see she's ranking for this specific blog, and this is the keyword. Now it's giving me data like, okay, now that we're ending 2024, people are looking for work goals for 2025. And then I already work on this and it's working. She's already ranking #1 within 24 hours just because we are using this data. If you need help setting up Google Analytics and Google Search Console, let me know, but this is another way that you can find keywords. How Google is showing up your website. I type this in here and you can see the titles of your pages. They're not optimized for any keywords. Like you have the name of the business. Okay, fine. And then resources. Solopreneurs, Scaling Stories podcast, blog, media, coaching, testimonials, about, burnout to balance, masterclass, opt-in. So is this how your dream clients are typing to find your solution? If it is not, then we know that we need to optimize. So let's say resources. You see, I like this keyword, free business growth resources. Instead of naming your page just resources, you can name it like this. And now somebody that is looking business growth resources, we want your page to start showing up. Obviously, we need to do more optimization on this page so we can start showing you more, where this is one first step that you can take. Now let's go into blogs. Obviously, I'm going to go into blogs. Okay, you have your title and the description in here. I like to add my target keyword as well. And then if we go back to headers, you need blog optimization in here. You don't have your title and your H2s. So Google is grasping that this page is about painful misalignment of value and systems, the road to recovery, the lesson. So this is all that Google is understanding about this blog. But your title in here, and now clicking in here, I'm seeing that this image, it has already the title in the image. I don't recommend this because Google cannot read the title of the images. Make this the title and make this H2s. I'm wondering, do you have WordPress? Yeah, you do have WordPress. Okay, so I have a client that she uses WordPress, and this is what I do for her blogs. I create a template for her. This is a template, and all she does is duplicate this, and then once she's on the editing, I already have laid out the title, H1, H2s, and H3s, optimized blog outline for her to just write her blog. So now she just updates the title in here. It's already done for her. And then on the editing tool, you have an option in here, H2, H3. So it doesn't matter if you have Elementor or any editing tool, you're gonna have an option to select H2. So I would recommend in this blog, make this H2, H2s, like that. Yeah, we obviously need more blog optimization because there's a lot of more content that you can add in here, add more keywords, just like how we found those on the FAQs, and link to other places of your website or link to other blogs talking about related to this topic, and maybe you have another blog about this, so to your freebies, to your masterclass, like that. These are the few pointers I will give you to just work on it right now. Obviously there's a lot more that I see in here that we can leverage and definitely can start getting more visibility. Your service page, there's a lot more we can do in here. The same thing with the images. We need to work on the images. It's taking about 6 seconds, 6.7 seconds on mobile to load, your homepage. It could be that big banner, that big image. We need to compress it a little bit more so it loads faster when they first arrive to your website. There's a lot of people typing about your service, by the way, and I'm not liking what I'm seeing in this search right now. You need to be showing up in here. That's what I'm trying to say. You have the program, you have the testimonials, you have the experience, you have your offers, you have everything for you to be showing up first page. A little bit of optimization in here for you to start showing up. Okay, so let me know if you need more help on this, you have more questions about this quick audit I gave you, give you more guidance, or if you want a full-on SEO strategy just for you, we can do that as well. So Andrea, I hope this helped. Let's get you out of the shadows, amiga. You need to be on number 1. You need to be on the first page of Google. You have everything to be on the first page of Google. We just need the SEO to make that happen. Okay, thank you, Andrea. Bye.